ready to automate your crypto trading game from the palm of your hand. This video is your express guide to setting up and using the Photon trading bot right on your phone. First, head over to your app store, search for Photon Trading Bot, and download the official application. Make sure it's the legitimate app to avoid scams. Once installed, open the app. If you're a new user, tap Sign Up and create an account. Existing users can simply log in with their credentials. Next, connect your preferred crypto exchange to Photon. Navigate to the Connect Exchange section usually found in Settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your exchange account using API keys. Remember to only grant Photon the necessary permissions for trading €, never withdrawal rights. Now choose a trading strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Photon offers various strategies, so explore and select one that suits you. Carefully configure the chosen strategy by setting your desired investment amount, stop-loss limits, and take-profit targets. Accurate setup is key to successful automated trading. Finally, activate the bot and monitor its performance from your phone. Photon provides real-time updates on trades, profits, and bot activity. Remember, trading involves risk, so before using Photon, do your own research.